See, 2D perspective is what? That you're creating something in 2D. Okay. For example, first you will make a building over here. Okay. You'll make a building here like this, like a rectangular tool, and then you can change the color. Okay. Let's say I'll take this color over here. Right. Now we have to make the windows. So how to make windows? First make this thing. Okay. Then what I taught you, that you go to the stroke option like this one, and you can increase your stroke size, right? We have a black color here, but then since we have a window here, so windows are usually a little, we have a little bluish color, right? On our buildings. So basically for the window, we'll use this color here. Okay. This much understood? Now
Yes.
right click the rectangle only, you'll get a line tool as well, and you make a line here like this, see, for your building. Okay, sorry, for your
Okay.
window. And now what's the next thing you'll do? Use the pen tool, increase the size. Okay, and click, then second click, then third click, fourth click, and come back to the original position, and then change this color to white. And I'll tell you why we are using white and no stroke. So if you don't want any stroke, what you will do, click on the stroke button and cross it. So no stroke, right? And now what we are going to do here, we are going to select this white color, and we go to the transparency option, and we reduce the transparency to, let's say, 50%. See, it created a a light, right? Like how we have in our windows. Yes, Chahat? And
Yes, ma'am.
now what you will do, you will select them all, and you will press Command G, G for group. Okay. And then you add this window over here like this. So it's easy, right? I mean, you just have to make these windows and then copy it. Okay. Why I made this window outside the canvas? Because I made it outside the canvas because I don't want my canvas. I don't want, that when I'm making it here in the brown area, so, I have to, again and again move it over there or hide this brown color thing over here, the building. Basically, I don't want to, get confused. So, what's the easy way? Use the gray area that you have, right? You can simply use the gray area that you have. Okay. So, now what you're going to do is, let's say, we'll move ahead. We'll make more such windows like this. Okay, now for the door, again, what we are going to do is, yes, for the door, again, I'll take a rectangle here like this. Okay, and I'll take whatever color I want. Maybe I'll use a darker color, right? And then let's say you have a glass door. So I'll make two frames here. One here of blue color. Okay, and then I'll copy it again over here like this. Okay. And then what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we use the stroke color, right? The black color. Press OK. Okay. First you have to click over here. Okay. And then you take the color of your choice like this. Okay. Here also we will click on the black side. Okay. So stroke is given here. Next, again, what we are going to do, we are going to add one line over here like this. And again, this line don't have a stroke, so open this stroke. Okay, just click here. Yeah, and the line stroke is open. Same way here also, I want to make a line like this. Okay, so that it looks as if there is a door over here, right? Like this. You can obviously go back to your stroke option. Yes, it's here, and you increase the size of it, maybe 4 points, and this one also 4 points. 4 points. And then again, you can give a effect here like this. 1, 2. Sorry. like this, right? And you make sure you close the stroke and you change the blue color to white color and you put it over here. And then what you will do, transparency, and you will reduce it to 50%. Okay, and then what we are going to do here is, now the same thing, we want the other side, so I'll copy the same thing over here like this. Okay, and if you want to change the direction, just right click. Okay, go to transform option and click on reflect. Reflect will change the direction of it. And then press OK. Okay, and then what we will do, select them all, press Command G. Again, we are going to reduce the size here. We will put it over here like this. So this is our building, right? Make sure that you place them properly here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. One thing I don't understand. Today was the class, but why my alarm then went to 4 p.m.? I think it might rang, but I forgot. Okay, anyways. So done. Now what we will do, we will move this building over here. Okay, same way you have to create another building. Okay, so I'm going to use the same building, but since you have 1 hour, so you can you have more than 1 hour. So what you will do, you'll make as many buildings as possible, okay, in your time. Now see, click on this 3 dots over here, and this is perspective grid. Okay, so the perspective grid will appear as soon as you will click here like this. And remember, perspective grid is used by perspective move tool only. Okay, you can't use your ordinary move tool. So you have to use this move tool here. Now you have to click on this blue area. So blue area means that when you click on the blue side, so any building you select will automatically go over here like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And you can adjust it here. And if you want it to the orange side, you will click on the orange area and then click and then move it there. Oh, I forgot to. Yes. Now again, perspective, click and drag it over here. Like done. Now you increase
Yeah.
your size and you can check. If you want to cross it, you simply cross it like this. See? Okay. Same way you can create a whole colony over here. Like, you can use big buildings, small buildings, buildings, in the backside area as well. Not it here only. If I again go and click on the perspective tool, okay, and then again I click on the move tool, and now I click on this area, the bottom one, right? This one here. So what will happen here? I'll go here and I'll take one rectangular tool and I'll make a rectangle. See, it's making a ground here, right? Make sure you color your ground and then simply use your normal move tool, transform and move to, arrange and send to back. See? So your floor is also there, right? And you click on the, now again, click on the, this one, perspective move tool. Click on the background area, okay? So here actually there is no grid. It's just, for your background like this. You can just again use arrange and move it back. So I hope you understood. You can cross it afterwards, okay? But make sure it's crossed also only with the perspective move tool. Okay, no other move tool can make it, go away. Like this. Cross it and it's done. See? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you go on internet and you search over there, you will see that, so many buildings they create. Okay, different building designs you see over there. And basically that's how you create a 2D perspective buildings. Okay.
Yeah.